What is up, folks? This is Shady Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Galaxy Watch 4. And this is the normal versions and 44mm versions, and it's not the classic one. And it's in a white color, silver. Alright, let's see the back. Some descriptions here: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and this is Wi-Fi version. It's not the LTE one. And other IMEI and some other things. Other than that, it's pretty. Here you can see that it's a 44mm, and here a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Other than that, pretty minimalistic, whitish kind of theme of the box itself. Let's open this thing up. Alright, first off, opening the box. Presented with the watch itself here, I'm gonna put it aside. You won't miss out. Actually, there's another box on top here at the other end of the box. So, and there is nothing here. Else here. Just gonna put it aside like so. Let's see what we got here inside here. Of course, we got the cable, and the cable is in a black color, as opposed to the watch is in a silver and whitish kind of tone. A little bit both sides, I would say, silver and black cable. Pretty nice touch. And it's a magnetic, pretty strong magnetic. It's a magnet even to the USB itself. So it's a USB to the cable itself. So there's no like a USB-C or anything like that, so it just connect right away to here. Right, so it's actually wireless charger, nothing else here. And at the other end, oops, it's supposed to be putting it up all the way from there to here. Interesting. It's like a 2 parts of nothing here. Not sure where it's supposed to be. Or it's supposed to be the manual itself. Double checking, nothing inside. Warranty card and manual, and that's it. That's pretty much it. As simple as that. Nothing else on the bottom. So I'm gonna put that aside. Also, let's see the glorious of a Watch 4. Just put it up for the first time. Let's see. On the right side, press on the right side here to turn it on. So the strap itself is silicone rubberish kind of feel to it. It's really soft and feels good. And actually kind of like a grayish, silverish and light gray as opposed to white. It's kind of interesting why I saw some of the YouTuber or some pictures of Lion, it's actually like really white. But mine is kind of like a silver grayish color. Interesting. Just something I observed. So at the back you got all the accessories in here, and also kind of glossy finish here. And on top you have nothing here all around, and so you can see that the glass itself is protrude out instead of like the classic one where you have the ring to cover the screen itself. But so for this version, it's more to the glass itself only. Galaxy welcome. Get started in the Galaxy wearable on a phone. So you dictate right away, confirm on your phone. So just press confirm here, and this app is called Samsung Wearable. And it's compatible with other Android device, unfortunately not for iPhone so far. So okay, now it's downloading some plugins, so I'll just let it download for now. Alright, more downloading, it appears, so I'll just let it download again. Alright, you're all set, but it appears here. So let's see on the right side on the phone itself first. So what we have here, Galaxy Watch, you got the battery notification here, not now. Let's see what. So for the interface, you got watch face apps, tiles, quick panel, watch settings. Let's see what settings. So we got a lot of notifications, display, advanced feature, battery, and so on. Kind of like a layout is kind of like a settings for the Samsung phone itself. So it's more like the One UI interface all around. Take a tour on your watch. I'll take it around it later on. For now, I want to see what else is in the box. Alright, up here there's a software update right on the box, and it's around. It's shown here the update information. So the update is about 323 MB. So improve usability of the following apps or features: touch bezel, and improve system stability and reliability. So I'll just let it download for now. Seems like it's gonna take a little bit of while here, so I'm gonna wait. Gonna install it right away, of course. Alright, finally everything is done. Battery is still at 34%. That's pretty interesting. After all the updates, for a few minutes, I think probably like 10 minutes or so, still running pretty good. Okay, so for all the default apps, we got voice recorder, waiter here, Samsung Pay, phone, and Bixby. Tiles, you can change all the tiles as you would like. Quick panel, you can change it to a different kind of layout, everything. And watch settings is where you got all the informations and whatnot. We'll take a look and when I do the review video. And as for this is pretty much it. I will cover on the phone as to what you can do and what you can see with the watch. So now I'm gonna put this on my wrist and let's see. First of all, I think I have a pretty small, I don't know, like small to medium kind of wrist here. Okay, so it appears that I have to, maybe I have to put all the way to the last hole of this watch if I want to snugly put on my wrist. Wow, it's actually the last one. Just snag it in. Right, so there you have it. This is how it looks like on my hand. It does. Yeah, this part does protrude out a little bit and looks a little bit like protrude out from my watch actually. So as a lot of people suggest, it's better for you to get a different kind of strap because of this here is like holding it to angle it to down as to what you want for the strap. Get a better one and get a one that doesn't have kind of like a V shape. I don't know what it's called here. So yeah. Alright, so now let's see on the interface of the watch. So this is the default settings, the blank white. Really minimalistic, the way I like it. So does the bezel work? Yeah, it does work. Yeah, it does work, and there's a little bit of like a haptic feedback to it every time you scroll. Don't know my badge though. Feels good, feels really nice. Side down from the bottom, you got all the notifications and whatnot. And second one, and also the third one. But it's not actually 34, it's only at 22% now, so better charge it up later on. So swipe here, you can get updating again for the Google Store, as you can see here. I'll just let it update for a little bit, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a overview of this, what you can get. Right, so now you can have a little bit more idea as to what you got here. So here's the apps you can get for the default settings. Of course you can download more on the Google Store, but I'm not gonna do it in this video. I'm gonna do it in the next review and more in-depth videos. And for now, I think that's pretty much it. That's how it looks like on my hand. I have to put it all the way to the last hole of it, and this is how it looks like. It snags pretty nicely here, and this is white or silverish color tone to it. 44 nm Galaxy 4, Samsung Galaxy 4, and this should take until next video to come. See you soon.